Okay, here I am back at work. I'm working on a Honda EM 5000 generator. Fuel issue. Carburetor right here. There's a shut-off valve. We're going to pull this breather off. This is a customer's. I'm going to pull the breather off, get down to the curb, take it apart and clean it. So on the outer perimeter there's an inner half, on the outer perimeter there's 6 screws to remove the inner part of the breather. Because behind this you might see there's one right there, and there's another bolt or nut that holds the carb on in behind it. Dropping parts. So this has an automatic choke. It automatically pulls it on, vacuum pulls it off. That's this piece up here. And when it's really cold, because as soon as it fires up it'll take the automatic choke off, you can pull this out and it'll hold it on. So I got these 2 nuts to go here, one to go in the back. When I get to the curb, I'll turn you back on. Okay, there we're down to the carburetor. So off camera, I've disconnected the fuel line which came to here, the vacuum line which went to there. Now, this vent for the crankcase, I just pull the spark plug out of the way, pull that off. Now we're ready to pull this, and you see that little tab? Probably not because of the light. That disconnects the choke. Then we've got the throttle spring and governor spring to remove, and this is the electronic shut-off valve to shut the fuel off to the carburetor. There's 2 screws. I'm going to remove those and we'll pull the carb down while we look in it. Okay, so there's the little valve that shuts it off. It's just electric solenoid. Gotta watch, there's an O-ring. I went right into here to shut the fuel off. We're going to undo this, and it's going to let us access inside the float hole and have a look. This is also a jet, and it's really bad. We'll clean it up. A lot of debris down the bottom there, you can see. We'll pull the pin that holds the float in. So there's a jet down in there. I'm going to try and get it out. The rest of the carburetor doesn't look bad. If I can get this jet out, I'll just put those parts in the ultrasonic cleaner. You pull this out. I'm going to kick the turns in. This needs to be in a certain spot. So I'm going to wind it in, find out how many turns it takes. Half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.25. So I'll wind it right out. When I reassemble it, I'll wind it all the way in, and I'll wind it out 3.25 turns. Maybe where it needs to be. That's out. That just pops out. This here I'll have to get 2 screwdrivers, so I'll show you down. Just get 2 screwdrivers, one on each side, and pop it up. Alright, so I've got the float ball all cleaned up. The jets are all cleaned up. After you're done cleaning them in whatever you're going to use the welding tip cleaner. Don't know if that's going to pick up, but there's a pile of little holes. There's parts nice and clean. There's a pile of little holes. Run a welding tip cleaner through that. Don't enlarge them, be careful, just get one to clean it out. Anyway, I'm going to put this back together. It's just in reverse direction. I'm sure you don't want to see that. When we're ready to start it up, I'll bring you back. Okay, so all back together in the reverse order. I've turned the fuel on. One little tip I'll just show you. Make sure you're getting gas. This right here is the drain for the carburetor for when you let it sit. See the gas running down there. Hopefully you can see it. There it is. Anyway, I just turn it on. Sorry for the shaky cam. I just turn it on and make sure that there's fuel getting through. Pull the ignition switch. These have the automatic choke. This pull piece right here brings on the mechanical, or like to hold the vacuum choke on. So fuel's on, it's on. Let's give her a whirl. Nice and warm in here. It should go in the first pull because I know the float bowl is full. And there you go. Sorry for the shaky cam. Anyway, that's a quick little how to clean your carburetor on a Honda. This is a true Honda generator. It's a Honda EM 5000X. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that. It's not too long a video. I didn't want to do a complete reassembly. The videos get long and I don't think people are that interested in it. Anyway, maybe it'll help somebody. Again, we're using Dave's bench. Don't tell them. Have a good one.